Kiambote kieno tutondele tatale ndinga. Yes, tutondele Gizambote. Thank you very much if you're watching. Gizambote means welcome. This is Kikongo / Congo Coast. Kikongo is the language spoken in Angola. Kikongo is the language of former Kongo Kingdom. Spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele. Kiambote tata Alain.
Kiambote tata Panjo.
Nunama vimpi,
Namba vimpi, yeyeno,
Itepe tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Kiambote nengo teriwa.
Kiambote tata Mpanzu.
Nunama vimpi,
Ingeta tunama vimpi yeyenu,
Itepe tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Kiambote. Tutama biala. Kiambote tutama biala.
Kiambote.
Nunama vimpi,
Ngina mavimpi.
Tutondele. Well done. You could say, and you, yeyenu,
Yeno,
Tutondele. Tata David, can we? Yes. Kiambote Tata David.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Unama vipi eh?
Ingeta tunema vimpi yeyenu
You told me to know vipi. Well done, Tutondele. I like your shirt. Can you try to show off? Yes. This is Tata David. What is your shirt, please? Your t-shirt, your t-shirt, your t-shirt,
Your t-shirt.
your map.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Come on, Congo. Thank you very much. Yeah, you can see that. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sorry. On the spotlight, yeah. Okay, we're going to learn about Congo Kingdom history. Just a bit of history, a bit of knowledge. Yes. I just want to play a video about Berlin conference. Remember Berlin conference? Remember that?
Yes. The
What was
Berlin
it about?
Conference, yeah.
What was it about?
The division of the African continent.
Yes. When did it happen? What? Sorry. When was it that let me tell you?
Was it in 1888?
Or
Germany,
89, right?
in 19th century? No. Yes. When was what was the date? A year? 18.
Is it 1889? 1888, sorry.
1884. I don't remember.
1888.
1884.
Oh, okay.
I mean, if you're African, this is historic, you know. we are alive. Remember, we are alive. I need to control my tongue. From that day, yeah.
They split us up.
So always remember that day, 1884. I think said in November. It took 4 years. We carry on to the next year, 1885. So from November 1884 to February, 4 years, 4 months, 1885. Are we okay? Yes? You need to remember that day.
Yes.
Hold on. Let me just put it mildly. I don't want to be strong. I don't want to use strong language. Oh, all the misery starts from that point, you know? So they decide what to do about the house. They decide how to split the house. Okay, then. So I will stop there. But I just need to play a bit regarding Congo Kingdom. Remember what I said last time? That conference, I mean, the reason Africa was divided into countries, it was because of Congo Kingdom. When I say because, I mean, remember the river?
Oh yeah, Congo River.
The history, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Why was it important? Well, I mean, why was the river important those days? Let me tell you.
It was the only way that they could enter the African continent.
Yes, we have two major rivers in Africa. We have the Nile, yes, northeast. Then we have Congo. So whoever could manage, could control the river Congo estuary could enter the land because they didn't have a airplane, remember? No train, no car. The French started building railway and Senegal, I don't know how long it took, but a river was there. That was the main issue, River Congo. So Congo River belongs to Congo Kingdom. Remember, up to 1884, we were kingdoms. Yeah, there was no country in Africa. Keep this in mind, very important. So when you hear about Congo, they don't mean Congo country, they mean the kingdom, yes? Congo with K. Congo with C means colonization, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Congo is K. Okay, let me try to play quickly. Yes. Pay attention. Misery started here.
The Berlin Conference formalized the scramble for Africa.
The scramble, a term coined by the British around 1884. The Berlin
That word is okay. Sorry, I need to control myself. So I need to stop there. You just need to listen to this.
Conference formalized the scramble for Africa. The scramble, a term coined by the British around 1884, was a period of time in the late 19th and early 20th centuries where several European powers explored, divided, and conquered the continent of Africa. The Berlin Conference was a series of negotiations between 13 European nations and the United States, where these major forces met to decide how they would pursue the division of unclaimed African territory. This conference spanned over 4 months, from November 15th, 1884 to February 26th, 1885. By the end of the conference, these powers decided how they would divide Africa amongst themselves. Producing.
Okay, can you see the big cake? Yes. Can you see the slice?
Yes, I can
play,
see.
yes. Can I play?
Yes.
Are we there? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
other than the established boundaries between colonies, the 1885 General Act. This act declared the neutrality of the Congo River Basin.
They're talking about Congo River, Congo River, Congo River.
Act. This act declared the neutrality of the Congo River Basin, guaranteed freedom for trade and shipping for all states in the basin, forbade the slave trade, and rejected Portugal's claims to the Congo River estuary.
Yeah. Okay, I'm stopping there, yes. Thank you very much. Okay, question?
No.
Yes. Yes. Okay, let me show another. The map I'm going to show now is a map about Africa before Berlin Conference. I mean, one of the maps, there are many maps. Like this one. There are many maps and different interpretations. Remember, history is always like this. I need to stop this. If I'm on map, okay. See you. Okay, can you see my map? Yeah, can you see the map? It's not nice. It does not look nice because this format. I mean, it's 16:9. I mean, HD format. Original map is different format. That's why the shape is funny. It's funny. Okay. Can you see Congo's here? Yes. Congo Kingdom. Then what I do with Congo Kingdom?
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Kingdom.
Yes, I can see.
Here. This is a kingdom, and the most powerful kingdom all this area. We have other. I don't want to talk about other people because I'm not sure. I don't want to make a mistake on the sensitive issue. So we're talking. We're just talking about the kingdom. This is the Congo Kingdom, discovered in 1482. Yes, by Portuguese explorer Diogo Cão. Yes. So I remember the shape of Congo Kingdom. This is the Congo River. I remember this shape. Remember, I studied in Congo, primary school. to secondary school. I remember I used to draw this map. So this Congo River, you see this river? This Congo River. From here, estuary then down. I think around here, Lualaba, and the river with the the mouth, yes, from here. So whoever controlled the Congo River could reach, see, almost, not almost. We could go to the east of Africa, see? That was the issue. Yes. Tutondele. Very good to remember your history. Yes, Bob Marley used to sing. If you knew your history, yes. Very good to remember your history. Okay, thank you very much. That might be a question. Question to all of us. What is the biggest, the deepest river in the world? I mean, the globe, yes.
In the world.
Yes, the deepest. Totally.
Not sure.
Don't go far. We're close. Talking about something. Let me tell you.
The Congo River.
Yeah. 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 What's
Really?
it? Yes. Yes. Very, very. Let me just try quickly to show you. Congo. Keep in mind, when we're talking Congo, we mean kingdom. We don't mean the country, the big country, and the two countries. We don't mean that. Congo is the Congo Kingdom. Very, very powerful kingdom. The first African, black African, or African, the first African to go, first embassy to Vatican. I'm sure that I remember. You know his name? No?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
I was asking, do you know who was the first African ambassador to Vatican?
Sorry?
The first.
Well, I don't know.
Is it Vunda something?
Yeah, that was
Okay.
Vunda.
Vunda?
Yes, Vunda. From Congo Kingdom.
Yeah.
No, I did not know that name.
Yeah, Vunda, the first ever African ambassador to Vatican.
Yeah.
Maybe we could say Europe, yes.
You know, it's a little hard to hear because we can hear some interference in the background.
Yeah, there's a lot of static coming in.
Yeah.
Is that me?
Don't know. It's hard to tell where it's coming from.
Oh, 1 minute. Sorry, give 1 minute. I think I need to change my mic. People having issues.
Is it better now?
Yes, whatever you just did. Oh, I still hear some.
Darling, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah,
but
okay.
There's still some static in the background.
Oh, who's that? Let me just test it. Okay, is it fine now?
Yes,
it's
better.
better.
Hit your mic because you're on mute. We are fine as long as we. You're back. When you're back, then okay. Never mind. Okay, this is the deepest river. Quick. Wait. It's me here. Okay, I can't change anyway. Okay.
Is it me?
Can you see the deepest river in the world is Congo River? Yes? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
720 feet deep at its deepest point.
Yes. This is a kingdom. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Let's go back to the last lesson. Any questions on Congo history? Snap. Nengoteri, are you there? Any questions?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, let us go back to last lesson. Yes, the first ambassador to, I would say, Europe. Tatan Vunda. Yes. Tatan Vunda. Okay, where's my... Thank you very much if you're watching. Just give us 1 minute. I'm surfing. This always happen. Where was okay, sorry, I have to use my PDF file because there's an issue with my PowerPoint. I don't want to waste time. Try to share it again. I'm trying to share my PowerPoint window. Yes, okay. Nalenga magi Congo, pattern. Although, okay. Is it visible? Can you read that thing what I do? Is it clear? Okay, let me just try to change the screen. Better now?
Yeah, it's better now. Yes, it's better.
Could I put 100?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, yet nengo tadiwa tatale nengo tadiwa then tatale. I mean, you ask question.
Oya ndio singa yangalala.
Nani
Oh, I saw
Osin.
I read the wrong thing.
Oh,
So nengo tadiwa again.
Nani?
First line nengo tadiwa.
Nani?
First line. First line nengo tadiwa then tata ale the second.
Okay. Oyandi osinga yalala yangalala.
Nani Osinga Yangalala.
Oya ndi osinga yangalala. Remember the acute accent. Oya ndi osinga yangalala. Nani osinga yangalala. Can we do it again? Nengo tell please.
Okay. Oyandi osinga yangalala.
Thank you.
Nani Osinga Yangalala.
Nani osinga yangalala. Tutondele. Tata Mabiala ask a question and read the first line, then read the second piece.
Oya ndio singa yangala.
Nani Osinga Yangalala.
Tutondele. We are going to be happy. Nengatadiwa and the Tata Mabiala answer. Second line. You're on mute.
Oyeto tusinga yangalala.
What's that, David? Nani?
Nani Osinga Yangalala.
Oh, thank you. Remember, singer. What is singer?
Going to, I think.
Going to, yes, will.
No. I mean just the word singer. What? The word
Will?
singer. Remember is.
Will?
Remember. It is our auxiliary. Yes, remember. It is our auxiliary. Yes. On your.
Yeah.
It is. In English, it is will.
So to.
Sorry, go ahead.
So if I was to say, I am happy, would you say ngina isinga yangalala?
Who can help us? Good question, Tatale.
Hello?
Yeah. Catalan. Can
Oh,
you try?
try
There was
what?
a question from Tata Mabiala. Can you say it again, Tata Mabiala?
So if you was to say me, I am happy, would you say ngina isinga yangalala?
How would you say that, Alan?
Umunu.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, good.
Umunu isinga yangalala.
Well
Oh,
done.
okay.
You see that? Yeah. That's why I keep. Yeah, good question. Very good question, Tata Mabiala. Let me just try to remove. Very, very important question because we, as I said last time, I think we have a 3 or 4, what do you call them? Pronoun, yes? Personal pronoun. Let me try to share my. You are right, Tata Mabiala. Ngina is first as well, me, yeah? Let me
Okay.
do it again. Let me do it again. Ngina mukwenda. Ngina mukwenda.
I am going.
Yes, well done. Now I'm going to test you. Hang on, don't go far. Don't hurry, huh? I'm going to test you all because I think we did it twice. Now we need to test our knowledge. Where are we? Okay, I need to stop this and share. Yeah, that's what we can you see the press? We are going slowly but surely. Is that a link? You see that? Yes.
Are you sharing your screen? I don't.
No, I was saying that we are let's say we're not do rushing. You see.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely, yes. Because as soon as you understand the grammar, you are fine. I mean, you won't know everything at the same time. All there is to know about Kikongo, you won't know it at once. Okay, Ngina in this case, yes, Tata Mabiala? It is first plural, first singular, yes? Ngina. But who can tell me, let's say, person pronoun? We have Ngina, what else? Tata, you said it on that sentence, the first word.
Mono.
Yes, well, they're doing good. Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah. Mono, yes. Then what did you are? Let me just try to write down here. So mono. I'm going to say something that might be that. Love it. We love it. See mono. Yes. We have in English we have. If we don't have a stereo, what do we have? I'm talking English now. You know that in the music industry, I mean the gadgets on your sound system, speakers, amplifier. When you don't have a stereo mode, it is on mono mode. Remember, no?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So I'm confused. I'm just saying that Kikongo words in Latin and other languages. Mono means one. So stereo sound means many channels. Yeah, and sound. Before digital, we used to have just one. Mono. One channel. Tata David, you get that? Tata Mabia, did you get that? Did you understand what I said? Yeah? Mono.
Yeah.
I'm just saying Kikongo words in modern languages. Mono is one. Kikongo. We have it even in English, Latin, other words. Yeah, okay, sorry. Confusing you. Okay, we have mono, we have ngina as I, first singular, personal pronoun, yes? Are we okay so far?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
just think about the first line. The first line of, I want to repeat it, I'm going to give you the answer. Remember the first line? We have mono, tatale, then what? Then what would we have the second first person? Same line that Mengo. Remember the same line? Because we have Oyandi Osinga Yangalala. Remember Tadambia, your question, you done well. Oyandi Osinga Yangalala. Tadambia question was if I were to say it me, first singular, how would you say it? So we start with mono, which is I. Sorry?
Omono
You
Isinga
say
Yangalala.
use E.
Let me
The
just
I by
rephrase.
itself.
Sorry, let me just rephrase my question. Based on the first line, we have two pronouns. Omono, sorry, Oyandi, Osinga Yangalala. So we're saying that there are 3 or 4 pronouns in Kikongo. Certainly, I'm going to mute you, sorry. Yes. So we have 3 or 4 pronouns in Kikongo, a personal pronoun in Kikongo. We have Ngina, is first me. Mono as well as me. Then we take from the first line, Oyandi Osinga Yangalala. Omono, as Tata Alan said, is mono, first singular pronoun. Then we have another one on the same line. Tata, maybe any idea? Sorry?
Hungary?
No, just on the first line.
Oh, on the first line.
If you were saying as you, I mean first person. Oyandi, Omono, yeah, that's the first we have. Then next.
Isinga.
You are there. Just try to adjust something. The first person, just the first person.
I'm a little bit confused. Are you saying Omono Isinga or?
Let me just say, Nengotada is almost there, but just try to drop one thing. Nengotada, Tata, David, any?
Isinga.
What do we conjugate? Is it Ingina? Is that what we're doing, or?
Okay, let's put it back. Remember, let me just try to write it down here. You know the sentence. Oyandi Osinga Yangalala. Tata, yes.
Okay.
If you were to say first person, you said it right. Mono or mono. Carry on, Tata.
What?
Omono.
Omono.
Oya, first person would be
Omono.
Go on, yes.
Isinga.
Yes, well done. So my question is, so far we have 2 personal pronouns, ngina, mono. Then omono on that sentence. In that sentence, we have two personal pronouns. You have mono, the first one. What's the second one? You said it totally.
Ngeye?
You said right. You did say it. Just try to drop one thing. Remember, singer is what it is. What is singer? Singer's what?
Singer is the verb, right? The verb.
Yeah. Remember, Tata David. Singer. What is singer? Remember?
Is it will in English? So
Yes. Can you see your chat? Yes.
Yeah, it's the auxiliary, right?
Yes. That was trying to underline. Tata Bella, you okay? Yes. Tata Bella, are you there? He's in the background. Tata Bella, sorry. Tata Bella.
Yeah.
When
Hello?
you say Omono Isinga, where is the first pronoun? Pronoun. Tata, you got it now. Tata, Isinga, what is your pronoun there on your
Mono.
first? Sorry.
Mono.
Now we don't have mono. We say that the sentence is Omono Isinga Yangalala. So we have 2 first pronouns. We have Omono. Tata, are you there? Go ahead. Omono. We have Mono.
Is it the I?
Well
I.
done. Yeah. Yes.
E.
In this way, we said in Kikongo E. E. Tata, are you okay?
E.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you know it, but I was a bit confused. So, Tata, sorry. The original question was yours. Are you okay, Tata?
Yeah.
So it said when we say Oyandi Osinga Yangalala, we're saying second person singular. No, sorry, third singular. When I say mean me, Omono Isinga Yangalala. So my question was, how many personal pronouns we have? We have mono, then
Singa. No, Ngina. Ngina.
I'm sure you're going to help this time.
So okay, so the E, the I.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Remember, singer is not singer. What is singer? What is singer? Remember, Tata David?
Just will.
Yes, auxiliary, yes.
Hmm.
So, are we okay, Tata?
Yeah, no, I got it.
Yeah, I mean, that's why we go slowly but surely. Snail pace, yeah? Don't worry. We're getting there. Okay. So, Tata, you're right. We have Ngina, it's me. Mono, it's me. E, it's me. I'm talking Kikongo here. I'm E. Yes, I think there's another one. I can't remember now. Okay. Ngina Mukwenda. Translation, Tata Alain?
You said Ngina
Ngina Mukwenda.
Mukwenda. Yeah, I'm going.
Yes, happening now. Yeah. Progressive, yes. Ngina Mukwenda.
So
Mhm.
so if you was to say I'm going to my friend's house, would you say Ngina Mukwenda kuzwa pangyame?
Oh, well done. Yeah, well done. Yeah.
Okay.
Although it is not common, but I mean, at least in my wife's area, this is what they say. I think this is the easiest way, because we want to make our language easy for people to learn. I think this is the best way to do it. Remember, yes, it's if you make it hard, people are not going to learn. You don't wait. Tata Mabiola, can you say that again, please? You're going to your friend, yes?
Yeah.
Can you say it again? I'm going to my friend's house in
So you
Kikongo.
say Ngina Mukwenda kuzwa pangyame.
Well done, Kunzo Pangam. Nzo?
Yeah.
Nzo?
House. Oh.
Yes. How? Nzo.
House.
Pangi, Pangi means?
Pangi. Yeah, it means friend.
Friend.
No. Mkundi, friend. Mpangi
Brother.
means.
Oh, Mkundi. Oh, Mpangi. Yeah,
Yeah.
Pangi
Pangi
means
means
like a
siblings. Yeah, your
sibling.
brother. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tata David? Yes.
So if it's a negative, would you add ko at the end, or would... So Ngina Mukwenda ko.
The first thing you should. Sorry?
So would it be Ngina Mukwenda ko if it's a negative?
Ko at the end, but before ko, we always have something. What is it?
Is it ki?
Yes, okay, yeah.
Ki Ngina Mukwenda.
No, in this case, you would say Kikwendako. It's easy, huh? Kikwendako. I'm not
Kikwenda.
going. Kikwendako, yeah.
Not going, right.
Kikwendako. Don't worry, yeah, Kikwendako. Nginamukwenda. Second singular, Tatala. He's going.
Yandi.
Good, yeah. Yandi, Kalo, Yandi is going, Yandi.
Yandi.
Say it,
Kikwenda.
just say it. Sorry, go ahead. Yes.
Yandi Kikwenda. Or Kikwenda.
You mean negative?
Oh, you mean
positive or negative? Tatala?
Yeah.
Let's go for negative, positive.
Oh, positive or negative?
Let's go for positive, please.
Yani Mukwenda.
Yeah, Mukwenda Kena. Well done, yeah. Well done, yes.
Oh, Kena, yeah, Yani Mukwenda Kena.
Yeah, Mukwenda Kena. Yeah, he's going, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, yeah, yes. I'm very impressed, you know. You're doing well, Yani Mukwenda Kena. Where's my... Tata David, yes, question?
No, I get this.
Yeah, indeed. I'm just okay. 1 minute, please. Okay, different context, different sentences. We use different pronoun. We're talking about same personal pronoun here, but in this case we use he's going. Yani Mukwenda Kena. We are going. Tata David, can you try? We are going. Remember the suffixes. Ame, aku, yes. We are going. Ame, aku, Andy. Who can help? Ame, aku, Andy.
Let's see. Tuna tukwenda ko. Tukwenda kena.
Us. We were talking about us. We try to say as we are going. Sorry. For the sake of learning, as we are going.
Is it Bao?
No, Eto.
Yes, first person. Well done. Yes. Remember this one.
Right. So then it would be bekwenda kena.
Sorry, Tata David. Oyeto Mukwenda. Yes. It's not easy. You're right. Sorry.
But then the mu would change to either be or bu. Bukwenda.
You don't touch Mukwenda. Let's just start with. Yeah, Tata Allen, yes. We are going. Go ahead, Tata Allen, please. Thank you, Tata David.
Okay.
You didn't say it. You didn't say it, Tata Allen. Sorry?
I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time hearing.
Oh, sorry. Let me meet Tata Mabiale. It should be okay now. Tata Allen, yes? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, I was saying, you didn't say it. Third singular. Sorry. Plural, first plural. We are going.
Yetu Mukwenda.
Yes, well done. Remember, very important. Remember the how do you call them? Not prefix, the other one. How do you call them? Suffixes. Yes. Remember, Tata Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto, Eno, Au. The Y and B, we could say Bau, Yao. The most important thing to remember is this one. Suffixes. Yes. So Yeto. Karibu Tata. Yeto Mukwenda. Let me just give it. Okay. Tata David, can you try? Yeto Mukwenda.
Yeto Mukwenda kena.
Here you have to put, remember, K is always third, always. I wouldn't say, let's just say always. I'm not sure, but we need to, friends, experts in language, Kikongo language, to define this. But Kena, remember K usually is third person, yeah? Total, yes?
Yes.
So, if I'm saying Yeto Mukwenda, then I should change the K to the first plural. Tata David, you know that. Yeto Mukwenda. You're talking about we, first person, plural.
Right. Luna.
That's the second plural. Yeto Mukwenda. You did say it before. Tatala Yeto Mukwenda.
Tuna.
Well done, yes. Tata Bella.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I mean, this language is not easy, man. It's not easy, sorry, because
No.
I speak in Congo. I didn't know that it was that hard to learn this language, no? You see? I didn't know that because when you're teaching, you're learning, no? Did you know that?
Yes.
Because people, I mean, we take for granted it's your language, your mother tongue, see? Just talk about, try to break it down and teach is hard. Okay. Yeto mukwenda tuna. We're changing this one. Remember? Mm. Tata Mabiala, your turn. They are going. Remember, we're changing two things. We got that's why we just say we call the possessive because the way it's used is not the same way as in English. Tata Mabiala, can you try?
Say again.
They are going. Third plural. They are going.
They are going.
Yes. Third plural, please.
Is it Yao?
Yes. Well done. Yao, Bao, yes. Carry on, please.
Yao mukwenda luna.
You're going to change this to this is third plural, so singular. You're going to change this one to third plural. Sorry, Tata Mabel. You don't know, yeah. Can you
Is it
carry on?
Ben?
Sorry?
Ben.
The full sentence, please.
Oh, the full sentence, okay. Bau mukwenda bena.
Yes, certainly. Did you get that?
Yes.
Bau mukwenda bena. You could say yao. Let's say that. I'm about to say lingala, you know? Let's say yao. When you speak many languages, even worse when the African language, no? You keep mixing. I'm speaking Lingala. I'm speaking Congo. Okay. I even can't remember. What was I saying? Yeah, Mukwenda Pena. Yes. Okay, thank you. I was stopping there.
No, let me. So, can I have a question? So, for the first line, Ngina Mukwenda, is that so? Is Ngina Mukwenda Ngina or like?
Then you put me on the spotlight. You know that. Very good question. Yeah, I'm on the spotlight. The thing is that things that are not defined. I mean, defined by people. The people. I mean, experts on languages, Kikongo linguists. We can't really explain it correctly. Gina, yes. Gina Mukwenda. For the first line, don't change. It is you, yes.
Okay, okay. So because the ending will be Ngina, then you don't put it at the end, or
you don't repeat it. No, you don't do it. You don't it.
So it's just, okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Yandi Mukwenda Kenahim. Ngeye Mukwenda, who's brave enough? Ngeye Mukwenda Una. Yes? Yes,
yes.
Una. Yeah.
Yes.
Ngina Mukwenda. Mukwenda, you can say Ngina Mukwenda, Mukwenda Ngina. Yani Mukwenda Kena.
Okay, so there isn't anything from Ngina. Okay. Wow.
Excuse me. Yes. Ngina Mukwenda, oh, Mukwenda Ngina. Yani Mukwenda Kena, he's going. Or you could make it easy for yourself. Just say this part, this slide. Yes.
Just
Mukwenda Kena,
enough.
It's enough. Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, Tata David was saying something.
Yeah, I was just asking. You're saying that you could leave off Yandi and just say Mukwenda Kena.
Yes, Tata, you can just say Mukwenda Kena. We know that him. Yes.
Yeah.
Mukwenda Tuna. Yes, we are going. But because Kikongo, I mean, Bantu language, Kikongo is repetitive. We say Yeto, then Tuna. Again, Yau, Bena. Mukwenda Bena. They are going. It's enough. I mean, don't worry about, I mean, The reason we are writing this because we are learning, but in spoken language, you don't need to worry about this. Tell my brother, yes? Tabiala, are you okay? You don't need to worry about the first pronoun, yes? Mkwenda bena, mkwenda tuna, that's correct. Tutondele. See, language, one mother tongue. Yes. Questions?
Yes, I have a question. How do you?
Yes.
So how do you say I'm not?
Let,
So
let, let me just mute
how
it.
do you say
1 minute.
there?
Sorry. 1 minute. Go ahead,
Okay.
please.
How do you say they are not going?
You tell
They are
me.
not.
You tell me because I want you to say something very important. Just be brave. Just say something that must
Okay.
be.
Do you still? Is this
Yes.
still Kikwendako?
Sorry.
Is this still Kikwendako?
Can you say that again in English? They are not going.
They are not going.
Okay.
Kikwendako. Is it the same? Or is it different?
They are not going. It is negative. Yes.
Yes.
What is the first must? Right. Must say in negative.
Ki.
Yes. You could say. You mean K or Ki or Ka. Yes. Remember. One of those. If I say no worries, there's no problem.
Kidiambuko.
Yeah, Kediambuko. Yeah, Diambo is matter, issues, depending on the context, yes. But we always use double negative, yes. You must. So quickly, Nemate, what was the question? The
How do
second
you
plural.
say?
Yeah,
Yeah, how do you say they didn't go? They will not go.
Yes,
we can't see your screen, Tata.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm talking. Yeah, sorry. Either K, Ki, Ka, Kediambuko, no problem, yes? Diambu means problem, words, matters, depends on the context. So Kediambuko, negatives, all we have double negatives. So Nengotedio quickly we were saying they are not going.
Yes, they are not going.
Can you start
How
the
do you say
sentence?
that?
I'm going to help, but just try to start the sentence.
Oh, I've started positive. Okay. So Bao
No, it is
Kwenda
negative. We're saying negative. You said that the sentence is negative. Can you start
Yes.
the first line? I mean, where do you start from? The first word.
Ki. With ki.
Yes. Oh, let's say K. K. We say K.
Ki.
In
Ki.
Kikongo, yeah.
Okay. Ki.
K. Yes. Mm.
And Kwenda.
Mm.
Oh,
Kebe kwenda kwa, yeah.
Oh, Quebec Kwendako. Okay, that makes sense. Quebec
Yeah.
Kwendako.
So it time's over,
Oh,
but
okay.
just 1 minute. Tatane, you're asking a question.
No, I got it. I didn't know if you were gonna say Yawu Bena Kikwendako, but it's K.
No, negative is straightforward. Negative is very quick.
Okay.
Very easy.
Yeah.
We are not going. Nemo tell you, over to you. We are not
Okay,
going. Just
so
see
it'll
the
be
sentence pattern here.
yeah. So it'll be Ketu Kwendako.
Bravo, yes. Tata David, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Indeed, we sorry, I need to even better like this to make, yeah. I'm going to touch this. See, Tata, how hard it is. Can you just see how hard it is to define things, you see?
Yeah.
That's what we were still waiting for people. I mean, if you are listening, you are a linguist, Kikongo, I mean, please, we need notes, written notes on this. Someone should define. Redefine a grammar. Okay, I think we are over. Okay, Kebe Ketu Kwendako. Okay, you are not going. You, totally, you many, you are not going.
Kenu
Yes, Kelukwenda, go Kenukwenda. Yes,
yeah.
fine. Yeah, we're just moving this. We're just changing this.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Enough for today. Thank you very much. Let's call it a day. You've done well. Don't worry, we will keep going back to the same thing because it's very important. Yeah, you can speak Kikongo now. Ketukwendako. Yes, I'm going. I'm not eating. I'm not going to eat. Certainly. Eat is dia.
Dia.
I'm not going to eat. I'm not eating. Negative. Ki. Start with ki.
Ki.
Dia.
Kidiako.
Yes, Kidiako.
Yeah.
Tutondele. Thank you again for your time. I think that might be having issues with the system. Thank you very much again for your time. Yeah, this is the best we can do to honor our ancestors, you know? They're gone.
Definitely.
Their language is here. We have to defend it, protect it. Yes. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Lusala
Lusala
Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Ketu yangani kawauko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu basta yeno luvo vanga